Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special with 56,434 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with Reinhardt mufflers, 14-inch handlebars, grips, mirrors, docking hardware, a short antenna, auxiliary saddlebag lights, shifter peg, windshield spikes, and axle caps. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Road Glide puts 122 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Road Glide has a 200 to 250-mile range. It has a 27.4-inch seat height and an 849-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Road Glide will need new mirrors, passenger handholds, and engine codes for the O2 sensor, turn signals, and compression releases addressed. Please expand and read the mechanical condition report for a full list of concerns. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire and rear tire are both at 430 seconds, and we did not take this bike for a test ride. Our technician noted that it runs, rides, and shifts well. The gas cap latch does not open properly, the base gasket is seeping, the left saddlebag light adhesive is failing, and the right heated grip is inoperable. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the primary, a paint chip on the front fender, scratches on the saddlebag lids, and rashing scratches on the right saddlebag. This bike has one key and one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.